Today I'm going to show you the correct way to clean your tablet. First, when the screen comes on, you switch it off, and as you can see that there are a lot of oil marks over it, I'm going to use this cleaning spray that I bought from Miniso a few months back. Even if you don't have it, I'm going to show you further on what you can use. So this product opens up this way. There is a plastic casing on top which you have to push the center tube out from the top like that, and there's a section to spray, so that's a cleaning fluid which you spray on your screen at multiple spaces, and the outer covering of this is made with microfiber cloth which you can use to wipe out the liquid, which in turn cleans your screen. And if one side becomes wet, you can use the other side to dry it up, because all the four sides are covered with the microfabric. If you do not have this product, you can use this, what I'm going to show you next. So let's put this on this side and get the liquid that you use to clean your glasses with, and a microfiber cloth which you use to clean your glasses and shades. So you can put a few drops over your screen like this and use the same microfiber cloth that you use for cleaning your glasses and wipe it all around, trying to spread the liquid evenly through on top of your screen, and make sure you use the drier area of the cloth to wipe out the excess liquid that stays on the screen. And that's how you make your screen sparkly clean. Now let's get ahead, and I'm gonna remove my tab from the cover, and as you see, the edges of the screen have not been cleaned because they were snapped into the cover. So I'm just going to take the wet portion of the microfiber cloth and wipe out the edges of the screen. It is not recommended to use any other kind of cloth on the screen. Now look at the back. The back is also quite dusty, and I'm going to use these Dettol sanitary wipes, the sanitizer wipes. It can be of any company, and I'm going to wipe at the back. Try to not use the wipe on the camera. We'll use the microfiber to clean the camera later. And over here you can use these wipes to apply some pressure to get the little stickiness out. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos which are informative as well as educative as well as fun. And now we are just drying it up with this microfiber, which later on I'm going to wash using water and soap and hang it dry so it's clean for our next use. Here you go.